Hello and welcome. I'm Craig Birnbach, the Communications Manager here at Evergreen Public Schools. And today, I want to talk to you about your opportunity to help Evergreen Public Schools put students first. Our February 8th replacement levy will do just that. Here's Mountain View High School senior Tyler Davis to explain.
Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the February 8th, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. So what are just some of the things this replacement levy will maintain and preserve? Additional teachers to help reduce class sizes and support special student learning programs such as English language learners and highly capable students. Also, funds for extracurricular activities and our athletic and music programs. Ari Cortez is my classmate at Mountain View and says a loss of levy dollars would have a great impact on music students and families like hers.
I think it would be really hard on these students, and I think it would make music almost inaccessible for people who come from lower income families, because I come from one myself and I get 2 instruments from the school, and so thinking about students who don't have the money, I think it would be really unfair just to have something like money stop you from doing something that you could love.
Money from this replacement levy also preserves our fee-free athletic programs, including the recent addition of soccer programs at all of our middle schools.
I definitely think kids benefit from it. It teaches them discipline, and a lot of kids haven't even played, so they're just coming out to learn a new sport. Shows them how to work with others, teamwork and responsibility.
It's pretty cool because we get to play against other schools in another sport.
It's really fun and you can meet other people to be friends with.
Okay, I've got my manual here for infectious
Levy
disease
dollars also
control,
help pay
and
for
I'm
10 of our
looking right now to
15
see-
school nurses, and in this age of COVID, they've become more vital to our schools than ever.
The more nurses we have, the better, and we can make sure that kids are safe and parents feel secure about sending them to school.
Tim Schauer is a local business leader and parent who knows how important it is to preserve local school funding and maintain programs through this replacement levy.
As a parent, I don't want my kids to get the basic minimums. I'd like to see my children get the other things beyond just the basic reading, writing, and arithmetic, right? I'd like to see our kids get the other kinds of enhancements that I think are available, which includes after-school activities like sports, clubs, all the other things, the academic clubs and the other activities that high schools, particularly at high school level, it's beginnings where they begin to develop social skills to work together, feel part of something, get connected. So those things are super important.
And with this 3-year replacement levy, your local school tax rate won't change a bit, remaining at $3.89 per $1,000 of assessed value for all 3 years. School Board President Victoria Bradford says that's the goal of this replacement levy, preserving the investment in our students while not raising the overall local school tax rate.
The Evergreen School Board has made promises to the community, and we continue to do that with this levy. We will not raise your taxes, just like we didn't raise your taxes with the bond. But we will continue the excellent services and programs that are great for our students.
That golden yellow is a European honeybee.
So, as you consider Evergreen Public Schools' dedication to being cost-conscious, know that this replacement levy and all of the critical learning programs it funds will help students connect to their school communities and their education.
All right, that was the broad overview. Now let's focus in on some of those programs. Ari Cortez has more on how critical levy funding is for our sports programs, including a new program, middle school soccer.
Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the February 8th, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. Money from this replacement levy will help preserve our fee-free athletic programs, including the recent addition of soccer programs at all of our middle schools. Students at Covington and Y East Middle School were overjoyed to learn they'd have a chance to compete and make new friends.
I was happy about it, and I was just excited and pumped up.
It's pretty cool because we get to play against other schools in another sport.
Yeah, I just thought it was like a nice change because like everybody mostly focused on football and basketball and never really like cared about soccer really. So I just thought it'd be a nice way to have more people enjoy each other, get to know each other.
Other students say this new program is giving them new skills and an activity that strengthens their connection to school.
If you're interested in joining middle school soccer, you should do it because you may never know what the outcome might be. You know, you may say, oh, I'm not that good, but when you learn from friends, coaches, you're gonna get better eventually.
I like just playing with friends, it's fun. It's just like, I just feel like it's home, like it's really good for me.
1, 2, 3, 4!
So, as you consider this replacement levy, which will not increase your local school tax rate, we ask you to consider our athletic programs and how they help put students first.
I definitely think kids benefit from it. It teaches them discipline, and a lot of kids haven't even played, so they're just coming out to learn a new sport. Shows them how to work with others, teamwork and responsibility.
Thank you so much for allowing us to have this opportunity. It's been monumental for the kids and myself just to see this beautiful game being played.
We touched on it a little while ago in the broad overview about how levy funds help us pay for 10 school nurses, and we all know just how important our healthcare professionals are nowadays. Here's Ari Cortez again with more on the critical work our nurses do to keep kids healthy and in class.
Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the February 8th, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. Levy dollars help pay for 10 of our 15 school nurses, and in this age of COVID, they've become more vital to our schools than ever.
Okay, I've got my manual here for infectious disease control, and I'm looking it up right now to see exactly what they recommend.
Heather Jensen is one of them.
The more nurses we have, the better, and we can make sure that kids are safe and parents feel secure about sending them to school.
One such student is Ella Filer, who was diagnosed with diabetes when she was just 14 months old. Now a Union High School graduate and a freshman at Boise State University, Ella says Heather Jensen helped her learn how to manage her diabetes and keep her safe and in class.
It was honestly super helpful. I think growing up with Heather and having a school nurse, it is one of the reasons that made me so independent with my diabetes care.
Ella's mom, Bonnie, says school nurses like Heather gave her the confidence that her daughter was in good hands during the school day.
It was a huge impact on her academics. It gave her confidence. She would grasp, how to look at her blood sugar number, treat it, and move on in her school day. And it didn't interrupt the flow.
So as you consider Evergreen's replacement levy, which will not increase your local school tax rate, we wanted you to hear Ella's story and how school nurses are helping put students first.
It's been a joy. That's one of the best parts of my job is to get to know these families really well and know that they have confidence in you, that you're taking care of their child when they're at school.
Our hosts, Tyler and Ari, take part in the instrumental music program at Mountain View High School. But let's not forget that levy funding is vital for our fine and performing arts programs throughout the entire district. One last time, take it away, Ari.
Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the February 8th, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. Money from this replacement levy will help fund our fine arts programs, including instrumental music, choir, and theater. Chloe Chen is my classmate at Mountain View High School and says our music programs not only teach music, but also create social and emotional support networks that help students thrive.
I think just having a community of people who are just striving towards the same thing as you are, it's just so impactful. And to have a community of people who are constantly supporting you.
Levy dollars also help ensure that every student, regardless of income, has access to an instrument.
And if we didn't have money from the district, there would just be a lot more expenses put on the families, and that's not good because we want everyone to be able to experience this amazing community.
And study after study show that students who participate in music and theater programs or extracurricular programs like sports and after-school clubs tend to perform better in school and help students express themselves.
It's such a welcoming community, and just having the knowledge that, hey, there's a space where I can go where everyone has a common interest, which is music. And it's a way to express emotions, and it's a way that I feel safe to kind of be who I am.
So, as you consider this replacement levy, which will not increase your local school tax rate, we ask you to consider our fine arts programs and how they will help put students first.
Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support of Evergreen Public Schools. For more information on the levy and the important programs it funds, please visit our website, evergreenps.org. And please remember to vote on February 8th.